Busy schedule, but you can still make time to stay healthy and stress-free from work. Yoga on a chair is a simple solution to your problem. Hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we will be talking about 5-minute chair yoga poses that can be done anywhere and anytime. Coming on to the first pose, seated arm stretch. Let's begin with the seated mountain. Sitting comfortably on the chair, hands out by the sides, spine nice and tall, hips grounding into the chair. Now take a deep breath. As you inhale, lift your arms out to the sides, then raise your hands up to meet above your head. Lace your fingers together, keeping your pointer fingers and thumbs out, so you're pointing at the ceiling directly over your head. As you exhale, roll your shoulders away from your ears, letting your shoulder blades slide down your back. This will engage the shoulder capsule, the muscles that hold the shoulder joint together. Continue to take deep and even breaths as you settle in here, taking at least 5 deep breaths before you release your clasped hands on an exhale and let your arms gently float back to your sides. Repeat these postures 3 to 5 times as per your comfort. Coming on to the next pose, which is Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. Sit in a seated mountain pose. You may keep your knees bent or extend your legs straight. Inhale in seated mountain, raise your hands and simply fold over your legs. You can keep your hands at your sides as you work towards laying your torso on your thighs. Take 5 or more even breaths in this pose. It massages your intestines, helping with digestion as well as passively lengthening your spine and stretching your back muscles. When ready, inhale as you lift your torso back to an upright position. Repeat these postures 3 to 5 times as per your comfort. Coming on to the last pose, the reverse arm hold. As you inhale, stretch both arms out to your sides, palms down. As you exhale, roll both shoulders forward a little, which rolls your palms so they're facing behind you. Then bend your elbows and let your hands swing behind your back. Clasp hands in any way you like and gently pull your hands away from each other without releasing your hold. If you grip a wrist or elbow, note which side it's on. After you've taken 5 slow, even breaths with arms clasped this way, reclasp the other wrist or elbow and hold for 5 breaths. Repeat these postures 3 to 5 times as per your comfort. Once you begin practicing chair yoga, you will start to feel a sense of ease and relaxation flow through your body. Yoga helps in increasing circulation, feelings of well-being, and decreases blood pressure, decreases anxiety, inflammation, and chronic pain. Keep in mind that you want a sturdy chair that you feel comfortable and stable in. How one can still be healthy by being on a tight schedule if they don't have specific time for yoga? Incorporate these chair postures along with the neck movements to feel lighter and more mobile. Also, do let us know if you have ever tried yoga poses on a chair before. If so, which is your favorite one? Do share your thoughts on this with us and keep watching this space for more such content.